People bury trash under the sand. The tide dries everything. Colored trash on the seabed. Rivers are full of trash and canals dirty. Invite teacher to listen to your group presentation.
There are pictures of Hill landfill in the middle of the city. You can see the landfill near the apartment on the road. But last week were no littering. So do you wonder why there are short landfill? Today, John with my team have 5 members, Trang, Thịnh, Thương to find out waste treatment problem in Vietnam. In everyday life, people have released into the environment a huge and increasing amount of trash. This has made the environment pollution. Waste affect environmental pollution, especially in river, lake, and seaboard areas. According to the Ministry of Natural Resources and Environment, our country is share a huge amount of waste. Every year, we are discharging about 35,000 tons of municipal solid waste and 34,000 tons of countryside household waste every day. Adult blue whale weigh about 200 tons, so the amount of waste is about 175. In big cities like Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City, waste can reach 7,000 to 8,000 tons every day. The amount of waste is about 35 blue whale. East Vietnamese emit waste such as paper, plastic, bottle, household waste. In Vietnamese, the total amount of nylon bag used is 10 power feet 48 to 52 power 4. An elephant weighs about 4 tons, so the amount of weight is about 2 to 13 elephants. According to daily data, the country emits more than 60,000 tons of waste. However, only about 30% are properly burned or decomposed. More than 70% directly buried. Faced with the problem in person, you can then have wondering why. What is the cause? What do we need to do?
Evaluation of waste treatment in Vietnam and comparison with other countries. Of waste treatment in Vietnam is sufficient infrastructure can meet waste treatment needs, especially in urban areas. There are few modern treatment methods, mainly landfill and incineration, are currently about 7% of, of the total waste is treated by landfilling. Uh, in addition, about 16% of the total waste uh, is processed at composting plant and about 13% of the total waste is treated by insufficient in and other uh, methods. Evaluate waste treatment. There have been many efforts to improve waste treatment in Vietnam, but they aren't effective. More than 85% percent of waste is being treated by burying or burning, causing waste and environmental pollution. Comparison with other countries, while Vietnam is still facing many difficulties in finding suitable solutions for to this way, some countries have made sufficient achievement. In Vietnam, recycling 10 to 20% mainly paper and plastic. In the United States, 4% of epoxy and 10 recycled feature in Germany is 89%, and in Japan it is 99%.
Now, when we talk about current situation of waste treatment in Vietnam, along with social development, rapid urbanization, and population growth have created great pressure on environment as the amount of household and industrial waste generated is increasing. Meanwhile, the control and treatment of waste is still limited and negatively impacting of the ecosystem, living environments, and human health. Currently, the most common methods that Vietnam use mainly to treat waste is still burying and burning it manually. The country currently has more than 660 landfills, but only 120 are sanitary. Waste treatment and recycling is still limited when up to 90% of waste is treated by burying, filling, and burning, and only the remaining 10% is recycled. In addition, handling waste by burying and burning it manually cause waste of land and pollution of groundwater. No locality in Vietnam has complete domestic waste treatment model that meets all technical, economic, social, and environmental criteria.
I talk about proposing to add the new methods. The demand for human consumption is rising, which means that the amount of plastic waste that is being dumped into the environment is increasing. It is estimated that the country currently produces about 60,000 tons of solid waste per day, of which urban areas account for 60%. By 2025, this rate is expected to increase by 10–16% per year. The increase in plastic waste industrial waste component is one of the problems for Vietnam's solid waste disposal. Recycling plastic waste means recovering raw materials. Plastic products that have been used to form useful objects that you have to minimize the negative impact on the environment, reduce some solid waste pollutants, make our living environment greener, more beautiful. However, the effectiveness of the result of plastic waste in Vietnam had not reached its optimal due to some of the following factors. Firstly, there is no efficient collection and research system. Vietnam is also developing a system to collect and research plastic waste at source. This system needs to be improved in terms of performance and the ability to sort waste to make use of reusable plastic waste. Secondly, people, perception, and habits. There is a lack of understanding and awareness of the benefit of cycling plastic waste. Many people still use single-use plastic products and do not use reusable products. Thirdly, there are no specific policies and regulations to support research. Despite some environmental policies and regulations, specific regulations and legal frameworks are needed to support and encourage the research of plastic waste.
Next, we will contact ourselves about how we dispose. As students, we should take action to properly dispose of waste, to avoid, to better protect the living environment as follows. First, don't throw trash uncontrolled on the streets. Limit the use of the single-use plastic items or straws. Get into the habit of classifying waste, organic waste, and inorganic waste. When going to the market, supermarket, bring a bag or containers to avoid using plastic bags. Recycle plastic waste, such as customer bottle for sorting, old farm box for growing vegetables, flowers, trees. Zone environment protection group and educate friends and relatives to properly handle waste. Small action must bring benefit for the environment, so anyone should handle waste properly. Thank you.